Hey everybody, welcome back to another Gunpla unboxing. You'll notice I'm in my review setup, and that's because, well, my work table is occupied. But that's fine. Doesn't mean we can't open another Gunpla Haul. Okay, I'm gonna have to get this out of the way. Give me a second. Alright, box is open, and I guess we'll just go through it as I pick it out this time. First up, Action Base 4. Needed another one for that Lasener, so I'm gonna be building that later. Next up, I don't have a 30-minute sister kit yet, but the new bunny ones that are coming out, I kind of want to get the black one. So I picked these up just to have hands. It does also come with a couple of head pieces, but that's not as important. Next up, Changeling Rifle. I've been meaning to get this for a while, and I only just got around to it. It's a super basic thing, but I just, I wanted to get it. Next up, we have the Sniper Canine, which I'll inevitably be turning into a Sniper 2 custom because it's okay, but I really don't like the rifle. I already have the Sniper 2. In fact, as of recording this, it'll be next week's review. Hopefully I get this out over the weekend. And yeah, this has worse color separation compared to the regular Sniper. Does come with the original parts for most of the chest, if not all of it. Looks like all of it, actually. That's good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you could build just a full Gym Sniper out of this, to be honest. Next up, we have the Sengoku Option parts, because I just like these parts. I never got them originally, so I wanted to pick them up now. Not a ton to them, but I do love this shoulder piece. Anyway, yeah, good parts here. EPS damaging boxes again. Anyway, up next is another 30-minute missions kit, and yeah, the box didn't survive shipping, but that's okay. The dog mech. I really wanted to get this just because I think it looks really cool. Next up, another 30-minute missions kit. The Commando Spina. Okay, this piece of the runner is actually reused from the army type Spinatio. That's interesting. Huh. You know, considering I have the fencer type, I could make one that's entirely black if I wanted to. Something to consider. I could have another one that's white and red. Might do that at some point. And finally, a kit that I never thought I'd be able to get my hands on. The Fragia. which literally sold out like 5 minutes after I placed my order. This thing looks insane, and I'm really happy to have it. Pretty good color separation. That is a bright pink. Okay, the flowers need to be painted, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, most of the color separation is fine. Just need to paint that violet on the petals. Pretty sure everything else is good. Anyway, as always, give me a second to get all these together for a group shot. Or at least a rough approximation of a group shot. And let's wrap this video up. I was really looking forward to getting these. These are pretty much everything I've gotten in the past 2 orders have been stuff that I've wanted for a long time. Aside from the Gespenst, because, you know, that's new, but I am really, really happy to have everything. And I look forward to reviewing it. Anyway, that's all for this haul. If you enjoyed the video, like it helps a lot. Subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when I eventually get around to reviewing these. Go follow me on Twitter for updates and work in progress pictures. And as always, until next time, happy building.